Hello friends, in my previous video we have considered the effect of single substituent on the orientation of electrophilic aromatic substitution. We have seen how the electron donor and electron withdrawal group affects the rate of reaction and also orientation of incoming electrophile in monosubstituted benzene. It is often useful to know relative reactivity at ortho, meta and para positions. A more quantitative picture of reactivity of each position of substituted benzene is given by a very useful concept known as partial rate factor. Let us see how to calculate partial rate factor of monosubstituted benzene. As an example, consider the nitration of toluene with concentrated nitric acid in presence of acetic anhydride. The reaction offers formation of mixture of isomers with substitution at ortho, meta and para positions. The rate ratio of toluene relative to benzene is found to be 24. That means toluene react 24 times more faster than the benzene. If we see the isomer distribution of product, the ortho and para isomers are formed in a major quantity, and this is very much expected as methyl group is having the plus I effect. It donates electron density, hence activates the ring. The rate of reaction is higher than the benzene. It also orients incoming electrophile at ortho and para positions. Now to calculate reactivity of para position, we require the two values. One is percent isomer at para position and another is a rate ratio. If we do the multiplication of these two, the answer is 9.7. That means para position of toluene is 9.7 times more reactive than benzene. Since we would like to compare reactivity of para position with one position of benzene, and the benzene has 6 equivalent positions, it is necessary to multiply by 6. Thus, to calculate reactivity at para position of toluene relative to one position of benzene, 9.7 is multiplied by 6 and the answer is 58. That means the para position of toluene is 58 times more reactive than single position of benzene for nitration reaction. Thus, magnitude of reactivity at any one position of substituted benzene when compared with one position of benzene is called as a partial rate factor. The partial rate factor for para position, thus we have calculated as 58. For ortho and meta partial rate factor, we have to do similar calculation. However, in toluene we have two ortho position and two meta positions. Therefore, we must multiply by the factor 6/2 because we are comparing these two equivalent positions with 6 positions of benzene. So 6/2 into percent isomer into rate ratio gives the partial rate factor for ortho position as 41. For meta position, partial rate factor is found to be 2.5. Please note that the partial rate factor for all three positions of toluene is greater than 1, that also reflect activating nature of methyl group of toluene. Thus, all positions are activated, but ortho and para positions are relatively more reactive than meta position. To understand the concept in more deeper way, we will see one more example. Consider the chlorination of toluene with chlorine and acetic acid. Again, here we get three different isomers. The rate ratio was found to be 340. That means the toluene react 340 times more faster than benzene in chlorination reaction. If we calculate the partial rate factor for ortho, meta and para position, we will find it as 610, 5 and 810 respectively. Thus, partial rate factor is nothing but magnitude of reactivity of each position in a substituted aromatic compound when compared with the single position in benzene. For calculation of partial rate factor, you will require two values, percent isomer and rate ratio of substituted benzene with that of a benzene. Please remember, whenever the partial rate factor is greater than 1, the substituent is activating group, it donates electron density in aromatic ring. When you will find it's less than 1, the substituent is electron withdrawing and it will deactivate the ring. The partial rate factor is useful tool to predict the reactivity of substituted aromatic compounds as well as to predict the percent isomer of a mixture of product. The partial rate factor is thereby useful to propose the mechanism of reaction of any synthesis. On this slide, we are observing the acetylation of toluene, which is carried out with the help of acetyl chloride and AlCl3, which act as a Lewis acid. The reaction ends with the formation of three product, ortho, meta and para isomers. The rate of toluene when compared with the rate of benzene for the same reaction, and the ratio is found to be 128. We have also calculated the partial rate factor for ortho, meta and para positions, and it was found to be 4.5, 4.8, 749 respectively. This data I have taken from the scientific journal, which is known as Journal of American Chemical Society, and one of the co-author of this paper is Dr. H.C. Brown, a Nobel laureate known for organoborane chemistry. Friend, he had done this work in one of the popular American university named Purdue University. So this work did not end here. The partial rate factor of acetylation of toluene was used to predict the percent isomer of same reaction when carried out with the metaxylene. As both the methyl groups are activating groups, the substitution can take place at each position of metaxylene. There are 4 positions. At C2 carbon, substitution can take place at C4, at C5 and C6. Please note that the C4 and C6, if the substitution takes place at this position, both the positions are equivalent positions. While taking the help from the toluene acetylation data, one assumption was made that both the methyl groups in metaxylene will have same effect as the methyl group in a toluene. To predict percent isomer of metaxylene in acetylation reaction, first we have to calculate the partial rate factor of each position of metaxylene. Please note that when two substituents affect a single position, the probability of reaction at that position is just product of individual probabilities. Let's take an example. The second position is ortho with respect to both the methyl groups. So we will take the partial rate factor at ortho position of toluene, which is a 4.5. We have to multiply it with again 4.5 because both the methyls are ortho to this position, and which gives the answer 20. So at second position you will get the partial rate factor 20. To calculate the partial rate factor for fourth and sixth position, which are equivalent position, this position is found to be ortho with respect to one methyl group and the second methyl is para with respect to this position. So we have to take the product of partial rate factor of ortho and para position, and it comes 3370. The fifth position is found to be meta with respect to both the methyl groups. Hence we have to multiply 4.8 into 4.8 and it comes 23. So we have calculated now the partial rate factor at 2 position, 4 position and 5 positions, and it comes respectively 20, 3370 and 23 respectively. The next step for the prediction of percent isomer of metaxylene for acetylation reaction is to calculate overall theoretical rate ratio of metaxylene relative to the benzene. For calculation of rate ratio, we will require partial rate factors of each positions and multiplication factor. Let's see for the 2 position. The 2 position is single position, and that we are comparing with the 6 equivalent position of benzene. So the multiplication factor is 1 by 6. The 4th position and 6th position are equivalent. So there are 2 equivalent positions that we are comparing with the 6 equivalent position of the benzene. So 2 by 6 is next multiplication factor, and the 5th position is again a single position that we are comparing with the 6 positions of the benzene. So each of the partial rate factor is multiplied with the cofactor, and we will get theoretical rate ratio as 1130. Here is the last step for calculation of percent isomer of metaxylene of acetylation reaction. We already calculated partial rate factor of each position of metaxylene. We have theoretical rate constant of metaxylene relative to the benzene, and it is 1130. To calculate the percent isomer, we require these two values along with one multiplication factor. For example, for fourth position, which is also equivalent with the sixth position, both the positions are equivalent. The multiplication factor is 2 by 6 because two positions we are comparing with the sixth position of benzene, and into 100 it gives the percent isomer of fourth position as 99.41. Similar calculation you can do for the second and fifth position, and the isomer distribution of these positions can be seen in a table. The actual rate ratio was found to be 347, which is less than as compared to the theoretical rate constant. But there is a fairly good agreement between the calculated and observed isomer distribution. Here we have not considered any other substituent effect like the steric effect. I hope you can able to calculate the partial rate factor of aromatic substitution reaction of substituted benzene. In fact, one can propose the mechanism of reaction by knowing the partial rate factor. I'm sure this video will also useful for prediction of theoretical rate constant and percent isomer as well. Thanking you